Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome children to your science class. Today we are going to study our chapter number 8 of science book, Inventions and their Applications. Technology and Inventions. Inventions is an act of making something new for the first time. Human beings have always been thinking and inventing to help them improve their living conditions. These inventions have made life more comfortable for us and has gradually changed the world. Bicycle, television, mobile phones, computers, etc. are all inventions. Technology is the application of science which leads to invention. As we keep improving on inventions, the technology keeps improving too. For example, earlier we used to wait for days to get letter through postal services. But now we can send and receive emails in an instant with the help of internet. This has changed the way we communicate. So, what is invention? Invention is making something new for the very first time, okay? And technology is the application of science which leads to invention. That means technology helps us in inventing new things. However, technology can also be a disadvantage. This is because it can get used for destructive purposes. For example, atomic energy is used to generate electricity for the city, but it is also used to make atom bombs that can destroy the entire city. Another example is that with the mobile phones. We can communicate with anyone instantly, but it is also causing us to become so addicted to it that we do not talk to the person sitting next to us. This is not good for our society. That means where technology helps us to inventing new things, it also makes our life hazardous. Some common inventions. Let us discuss a few common inventions with their advantages and disadvantages. Number 1, plastic. If you look around, you will see that many things at home are made up of plastic. Glasses, plates, spoons, storage jars, water bottles, soap cases, etc. are all made up of plastic. Now we'll see the advantages of plastic. Plastic is cheap. Plastic is easily available. Plastic is more durable. Things made up of plastic are colorful and attractive. They can be made in a large quantities and they are light in weight. So these are the advantages of using plastic. Okay. Now we'll see the disadvantages. The disposal of plastic waste is very harmful for the earth, as plastic does not break down and mix with the soil. Hence, it is very harmful for all living beings. Burning of plastics gives out poisonous gases that pollute the environment. It is very harmful for our health. So where we have advantages of plastic, like it is cheap, it is durable, it is easily available to us, okay? We also have a disadvantage, that is that it is not easy to dispose it, okay? And if we burn it, it will leave the poisonous gases in the air and pollute our environment. Next is machines. Many machines are used in our daily life. Example, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, fridge, microwave, etc. Advantages of machines. They work faster and save our time. They make our work easier. They can work for long hours. Disadvantages of machines. All machines are made in factories. These factories give out smoke which is very harmful. Okay, so the gases, the smoke that come out of the factories pollute the air in our environment. The chemicals thrown out as waste material from factories cause water and soil pollution. Okay, so first the air is get polluted, now the water and the soil also get pollution with the waste materials. Working on various machines may also lead to accidents. Machines that produce harmful smoke and chemicals destroy the earth's atmosphere, which results in global warming, that is increase in the temperature of the atmosphere of the air. Now buildings. Buildings are strong structures used for living and business purposes. That means we live in buildings and we also have offices or shops in the buildings, okay, business purposes. Advantages of buildings. Buildings provide us with shelter. They protect us and our belongings from rain. They protect us from cold. They protect us from the wild animals. Now let's see the disadvantages of buildings. Making of buildings leads to deforestation, that is cutting of forests to make place for buildings. Deforestation leads to loss of plants and forest, which in turn causes floods and loss of life and property. It also leads to soil erosion and global warming. So these are the different disadvantages of buildings. Now next is television. Television is a machine on which we can watch programs, right? We all watch televisions for long hours, na? Right? Cartoons and all. Now let's see the advantages of television. Television gives us the latest information on all that is happening around the world. We get all important news instantly. Television educates us on many things. It also it is also a good source of entertainment. All right, these are all the advantages. But what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages of television. Watching too much of television can cause eyesight problems. Many of the television shows are not suitable for the children. Watching too much of television distracts the person and also affects the sleeping pattern. What is sleeping pattern? Like if you sleep at 10 o'clock, if you're watching the television, your favorite cartoon or your favorite program on television, you'll sleep at 12 o'clock, right? So that disturbs our sleeping pattern. So these are all the disadvantages of the television. So student, today we learned about the technology, what is technology and what is inventions, and the inventions that we use in our daily lives, right? The common inventions, their advantages and disadvantages. The rest of the chapter we will study in our next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.